are you interested to move USA with the business visa? So this E2 category will more easiest pathway for all of those people who are interested to move to USA with business visa. So don't let yourself start your business if you have 1 lakh US dollar in your account, and if you can arrange 1 lakh US dollar, so you can easily get this particular E2 visa from your own country, or if you are in USA with visit visa or any other work visa, so you can start your business and you can get and you can change your status in USA as well. Or if you are going with a business visa with a fresh passport, you can move to USA if you have 1 lakh dollar in your account. So how you people can start and what kind of businesses will be more beneficial for you guys, here in this video I will share all the necessary or all the important information with you guys. And if you really want to start this process, so before that process you just judge yourself that you can arrange 1 lakh US dollar, then you will make, or then you will register your business in USA. All the process we will give you. We will process your visa. If you are interested, if you want to start this process, you can contact us. But a small process I will give the detail, the short detail about this process. Like before starting this visa process, you will register your business in USA, and government will provide you EIN number, like a social security number. With that social security number, through that social security number, you can open your bank account, you can register your bank account, and when you will register or open your bank account, you will transfer all the 1 lakh dollar to that particular account. And after that you will spend all the money for business purpose, for business activity. Like you will spend some money for equipment, for website, for marketing, for rent a place, for all these things. You will start this small activity for your business, and when you will arrange these all the things, and you can submit your application for E2 visa, and they will issue you E2 category visa. So here a benefit of this category, your government will provide you schooling free, your medical will be free for your child, and your spouse can work full time. If you will move with your family, your spouse will work anywhere in the USA. So this particular stream, this particular E2 category will more easiest pathway for all of those people who really want to invest their money in USA, and who really want to move to USA for with business visa. So don't call us, contact us, make your appointment and start your process straight away. Thanks. Take care.